Okay, now for third iteration for I is equals to 3. Okay, so y4 is equals to y3 plus 0.1 into s. Okay, so we need to follow the same steps. First we need to calculate s1. We know s is equals to s1 plus s2 by 2. So s1 f of x3 comma y3, okay, is equals to f of 1.2. What is the value of y3 that we got earlier? That is 6.228. Okay, so that is equals to 1.2 into 6.228, that we get as 7.474. It is approx, right? Okay, so x2 is equals to s2 is equals to f of x3 plus 0.1 into y3 plus 0.1 into s1. Okay, so we have all the values, right? So f of x3 we get as this is 1.2 plus 0.1 into y3. What is the value of y3? That is 6.228 plus 0.1 into s1, that is 7.474, right? Okay, so after calculating this value you get it as 9.068. okay, and s is equals to 7.474 plus 9.068 divided by 2, that you get it as 8.271. okay, and y4 is equals to 6.228 plus 0.1 into 8.271 is equals to 7.055. okay, so the value we got it as 7.055. Now the fourth solution point is obtained as x4 comma y4, we get it as 1.3 comma 7.055. okay, so let us solve this further for iteration fourth. okay, so there are two more iterations. We need to solve it up to 1.5. Now there are two more iterations which we need to solve. Now let us move to fourth iteration. For I is equals to 4, when I is equals to 4, then y5 is equals to y4 plus 0.1 into s. So s, we know how to calculate s. S is equals to s1 plus s2 by 2. So we need to calculate first s1 and then s2 and then s. okay, x4 comma y4, after replacing x4, that is 1.3 into the value, that is 7. I'm just replacing all these values. I'm directly writing down the values. 1.3 into 7.055 is equals to 9.172. okay, and s2 is equals to f of x4 plus 0.1 comma y4 plus 0.1 into s1. Okay, so this is the formula. So f of 1.4, sorry, it is 1.3 plus 0.1 comma y4, that is 7.055 plus 0.1 into s1, that is 9.172. Okay, right. So we need to calculate these values. After calculating, you get the value, that is 11.161. okay, so we need to calculate s is equals to s1, that is 9.172 plus 11.161 divided by 2, that is equals to 10.166. okay, now we need to calculate y5. y5 is equals to 7.055 plus 0.1 into 10.166 is equals to that you get the value, that is 8.072. okay, now we got the value. Now we need to replace here, that is x5 comma y5. so x5 is 1.4 comma y5 is 8.072. okay, so now we need to calculate for fifth iteration. Replace the values and you get the final answer. Now this is the last step which we are going to perform, and we'll get the answer. Okay, so let us see y6 formula. Y6 for iteration fifth, y6 is equals to y5 plus 0.1 into s. okay, so s1 is equals to f of x5 comma y5. okay, so I'm going to replace all these values into 8.072, and that you get directly the value, that is 11.301. okay, now we need to calculate s2. S2, the formula for S2, I'm going to directly replace these values. okay, so the values of x5, that is 1.4 plus 0.1 comma y5, that is 8.072 plus 0.1 into s1, that is 11.301. okay, so you get the answer, that is 13.803. and now we need to calculate the value of s. S is equals to s1 by s2, that is s1 we know 11.301 plus 13.803 by 2, and you get the value, that is 12.552. okay, and now we need to calculate the value of y6. y6 is equals to 8.072 plus 0.1 into 12.552. okay, and you get the value, that is 9.328. Okay, so the final answer for this, we'll write it down. X6 comma y6 is equals to x6 comma y6 is equals to 1.5 comma 9.327. Okay, so the complete solution of the given differential equation is given as, we can draw a table for that, xi comma yi. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now xi, when it was 1, we got the value that is 5. Okay, it was initially it was declared. Okay, so when it is 1.1, we got the value that is 5.525. Okay, when it is 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, when it was 1.2, we got the value that is 6.228. Okay, when it was 1.3, we got the value that is 7.055. When it was 1.4, we got the value that is 8.072. When it was 1.5, we got the value that is 9.327. Okay, so hope you understood this. This is called as an Runge-Kutta method second order. Under this formula is related to Hume's method. Okay, the formula which we used, it is also called as an Hume's method. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.